Hello, my name's Tiana, and we're going to be mixing two green colors together to make Baby Yoda. So first, I took little pieces of both colors to make it easier to mix together. Don't worry, it will take a bit of time to get the colors to mix. It will take only about 7 to 8 minutes. Next, I'm taking little pieces of the clay to make the hands. I am now squishing and flattening other pieces of the tan clay to make bottom of the coat. Now I am rolling the tan color up like a snake to make the top of his coat. I am now cutting up the flat tan part to make the bottom of his coat. After that, the snake-like part I put on the top outside of the flat part of the coat. Right here, I am adding his ears. I flattened the rest of the tan clay I had left, so I can finish his coat. But first, I flattened the snake-like tan part to make his arms. Then I added rolled up green clay to make his tiny hands. I then used the rest of the flattened tan to make him stand taller. I used the rest of the rolled up tan clay to put a detail around his wrists to match his color of his coat. Baby Yoda is now finished. Thanks for watching. Bye.